So hello everyone and welcome back to Power Pro Academy. In today's video, we are building something super practical, a habit tracker in Python. It's a console-based app where you can add habits, mark them as complete and save your daily progress. So let's get started. So this project is perfect for beginner and we will cover here list and dictionary, file handling, loops and menu system and functions. You will be able to save your progress to a file and load it the next time the app runs. So let's start by defining our habit list and loading previous data from a file. We will use a dictionary to track the status of each habit. So to write a code, let's jump into our VS Code. So here we are in our VS Code and let's write our first function here, which is load_habits. So to define a function, let's write the keyword def load_habit, and inside that function, we have to first call our dictionary. So habits equals to curly braces, which is the sign of calling a dictionary. Now I am putting the file actual in the try block. So try with open habits.txt, which is a text file over here, and I am gonna write here comma R, means the mode is read mode as F, and inside here I am writing for line in F name comma status equals to line.strip.split. So we get the line, and in the line we are going to strip and split each and every verb. Now habits name equals to status, and for the accept I will pass here accept file not found error, and we are going to write in this block pass. Now we have to return the habits. So this is the load habit function which we created. Now let's save our progress back to the file after each action. So there is a function here. So let's create that. So save_habit. Now def save_habits, and we are defining the parameter in the save_habit function. So we are writing here the parameter which is habits. Now in this we are going to write the habits into the text file. So we have to open this file in the write mode. So with opened habits.txt comma w as F, and inside that block for habit comma status in habit.item f.write habit comma status. Now let's build a menu with option. So the first is view habit, second is add habit, third is mark as done, and fourth is exit and save. So let's create our main function. So def main habits equals to load habits, where we have to load our habits. Now in the loop, while true, let's print the series or the menu. So in the print I am writing 1 view habit, 2 add habit, 3 mark habit as done, and 4 is exit. Now we have to get the user input. So choice equals to input, choose an option, and let's write the if condition. So if choice equals to 1 for habit comma status in habits.item, print habit if status equals to done, else cross. Now elif choice equals to 2, then name equals to input, enter habit name equals to not done, print added to your habit list. So this will add your new habit in the list. Now elif choice equals to 3, name equals to input, enter habit name to mark as done. If name in habits, habit name equals to done, print name mark as completed, else print habit not found. Now elif choice equals to 4, save_habits, habit print progress saved dot see you tomorrow, and we can break it. Now in the else part we can write invalid choice, try again. So let's add a few habits like drink water, meditate and read. Now we will mark one as done and exit. When we reopen the app, boom, the data is still there. And that's it, a fully working Python habit tracker. You can expand this app by adding day tracking, reset daily habit, visualization with Matplotlib. So try adding features and share your version with us. So if you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe, like, and join our WhatsApp community to get help and share your code. You can find the full code on our website, which is powerproacademy.com. See you in the next build. Till then, goodbye. Happy coding.